Science has always been the driving force behind human progress. From unlocking the secrets of the universe to extending human life, a handful of discoveries have completely transformed how we live, think, and even survive. What if we told you that a few breakthroughs some made centuries ago still shape the technology in your hands, the medicine you take, and even the way you breathe today? These aren't just discoveries, they are milestones that redefine civilization. Today, we're counting down the scientific discoveries that change the world, from invisible forces that power your light bulbs to the genetic code that defines who you are. Human history is filled with curiosity and discovery. Every generation has had its thinkers, its inventors, and its dreamers, people who dared to question what others accepted as truth. Through observation, experimentation, and a relentless pursuit of knowledge, science has given us the tools to explore space, cure diseases, and connect with anyone across the globe in seconds. So, let's dive into the top scientific discoveries that changed humanity. Number 10. Electricity, the power that sparked modern civilization. Electricity is so deeply integrated into our daily lives that it's easy to forget there was a time when humans lived entirely without it. The study of electricity dates back to the 18th century, with scientists like Benjamin Franklin, Alessandro Volta, and Michael Faraday leading the way. Franklin's famous kite experiment proved that lightning and electricity were one and the same. Volta built the first electric battery, and Faraday discovered electromagnetic induction, laying the foundation for electric generators. Everything runs on electricity. Without it, modern life would simply collapse. Electricity didn't just bring light. It powered the Industrial Revolution and set the stage for the digital age. It's no exaggeration to say that this one discovery electrified the entire world literally. Number 9. The germ theory of disease. Understanding the invisible killers. Before the 19th century, people believed diseases were caused by bad air or curses. Hospitals didn't sterilize their instruments, and doctors didn't wash their hands between surgeries. That all changed thanks to Louis Pasteur and Robert Koch, who discovered that microorganisms, germs, were the true cause of many diseases. This simple yet revolutionary idea completely changed medicine. Pasteur's experiments with fermentation and vaccines, along with Koch's work on tuberculosis, laid the foundation for microbiology. It led to sterilization, pasteurization, vaccinations, and antibiotics, all of which have saved billions of lives. Number 8. DNA and the structure of life. In 1953, James Watson and Francis Crick, with the crucial contributions of Rosalind Franklin, uncovered one of the greatest mysteries in biology, the structure of DNA, the double helix. This discovery revealed the blueprint of life itself, the molecule that carries genetic information in every living organism. Understanding DNA opened the door to modern genetics, biotechnology, and even forensic science. It made cloning, genetic modification, and personalized medicine possible. The DNA double helix didn't just solve the mystery of heredity, it opened a new frontier in what it means to be human. Number 7. The theory of evolution. Charles Darwin's radical idea. In 1859, Charles Darwin published On the Origin of Species, a book that shook the scientific and religious world alike. Darwin proposed that all species evolve over time through a process he called natural selection, the survival and reproduction of the fittest individuals. This single idea united all of biology under one framework and explained the diversity of life on Earth. Evolutionary theory became the cornerstone of modern biology, influencing fields from genetics to ecology. It changed not just science, but philosophy, religion, and how humanity viewed itself. For the first time, humans understood that they were not separate from nature, but part of it. Number 6. The theory of relativity. Einstein's time-bending revolution. Albert Einstein's theories of special and general relativity, published in the early 20th century, completely redefined how we understand space, time, and gravity. According to Einstein, time and space are not absolute, they are interconnected, forming a fabric called space-time. Gravity isn't a force pulling objects together, but rather the warping of this space-time by massive objects like planets and stars. The implications of relativity go far beyond physics textbooks. GPS satellites, for example, wouldn't function accurately without accounting for Einstein's equations. His discoveries also paved the way for nuclear energy and modern astrophysics. Number 5. Quantum mechanics. The strange rules of the microscopic world. If relativity changed our view of the cosmos, quantum mechanics changed our view of the atom. In the early 20th century, scientists like Niels Bohr, Max Planck, and Werner Heisenberg discovered that subatomic particles don't behave according to classical physics. Electrons can exist in multiple states at once. Particles can appear and disappear. and simply observing something can change its behavior. Quantum mechanics sounds bizarre, but it's the foundation of all modern technology. The quantum world may be strange, but it's also the reason you're watching this video right now. Number 4. Penicillin, the accidental discovery that saved millions. In 1928, Scottish scientist Alexander Fleming returned from vacation to find that a mold had killed bacteria on one of his petri dishes. That mold was Penicillium notatum, and it led to the discovery of the world's first antibiotic, penicillin. This chance discovery marked the dawn of the antibiotic era. Suddenly, infections that once killed millions could be treated easily. During World War I, penicillin saved countless soldiers' lives and soon became a cornerstone of modern medicine. Penicillin didn't just cure diseases, it changed life expectancy, surgery, and healthcare forever. It remains one of the most important medical breakthroughs in history. Number 3. The Internet, the digital web that connects humanity. In the 1960s, the U.S. military developed ARPANET, a network designed to share information between computers. Over the decades, it evolved into the global internet we know today. The internet is not just a communication tool, it's the single most transformative invention of the modern era. It changed how we learn, work, shop, and socialize. Billions of people now have instant access to all human knowledge, and new technologies like AI and blockchain are built on this digital foundation. The internet created a truly global civilization connected by invisible threads of data. Number 2. The printing press, the birth of the information age. Long before computers, the printing press changed the world in ways no one could have predicted. Invented by Johannes Gutenberg in the mid-15th century, it allowed books and documents to be mass-produced for the first time in history. Before this, books were hand-copied by scribes, making them rare and expensive. Gutenberg's press made information accessible to the public, sparking the Renaissance, the Reformation, and the scientific revolution. It democratized knowledge, empowered thinkers, and laid the groundwork for education as we know it. In many ways, the internet is just a modern printing press, a tool for spreading ideas on a global scale. Number 1. The discovery of fire, humanity's first and greatest discovery. Long before written history, humans made one discovery that would separate them from all other species: fire. The ability to create and control fire gave early humans warmth, protection, cooked food, and the power to forge tools. Fire allowed humans to migrate to colder regions, form communities, and eventually develop technology. It's the first form of energy humans ever mastered, and it remains the symbol of human progress. Every scientific discovery that came afterward, from electricity to space travel, owes its origin to that first spark of flame. Fire was not just a discovery, it was the birth of civilization. If you enjoyed exploring these world-changing discoveries, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more deep dives into science, technology, and human achievement. Hit the like button if you learned something new, and share this video with someone who loves science as much as you do.